How to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification problem. So if you want to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification process, then what you need to do is, first of all, you need to go with your settings application, which looks like this. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down a bit. After that, you will have an option of accounts and sync. You need to tap on it, or you may also have an option of accounts and backup. And now you need to scroll down and select your Google account. So tap on Google, which will be on the bottom, and select a Google account. And it may take you to manage your account, or you can also just go back and tap on your Google, tap on the Google icon, which will be in the top right, tap on your profile. And now you need to just go with manage your Google account. Once you're on your manage your Google account, you need to go with the personal info, which is on the first. And here scroll down, go with phone number. Now under phone number, you need to tap on the phone number that you would like to change. You can edit your phone number or you can delete your phone number. So the first pencil-shaped icon, which is right here, is to edit your number, and on the right side you will have a trash icon to delete your phone number. So what you need to do is just simply go and verify your phone number. So go with the pencil-shaped icon and edit your phone number if it's wrong, or you can just change your phone number. And after changing or after editing your phone number, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. By updating your phone number, your verification will be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.